everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Renee Roxanne. I'm back with day 29 of 33 days with the silk press. If you want to see how I get this super cute style right here that you're seeing, go ahead and click that card above because that's day 28 of 33 days with a silk press. Today I'm going to show you what I do when I get home after rocking the style for a few hours. Now let's protect and style these curls for bed. So this is the night of day 28 with the silk press. I got home and my hair is still relatively soft and I can run my fingers through it and the curls are holding. Instead of combing it out and destroying the curls that I created today, I'm going to section the hair and use Flexi Rods to keep the curls and ends well protected. Part out 1/4 of a section and run your fingers through it to slightly detangle and stretch the hair out. Holding it at its ends, place the Flexi Rod on top of the hair, wrap the ends around while rolling the hair up onto the Flexi Rod at a vertical angle. Now take both ends of the Flexi Rod and close them together. The Flexi Rod should be placed on top of or behind your hair so that the hair is curling away from your face. This doesn't have to be neat, but you should detangle and stretch the hair out so that the curls are unified for the takedown. I did leave a curl out, but that's okay, at least it's poppin'. All of the Flexi Rods are in and it's time for bed. I'm putting my bonnet on. My husband's in the back patiently waiting for me. Good night. See you in the morning for day 29 of 33 days with this silk press. The very next morning, we were going to be up and about walking around. I'm applying the usual OGX Moroccan Argan Oil to my hands and it's time to open the Flexi Rods. Hold one end and unravel in the opposite direction of which you rolled them up towards the front of your face. That curl is banging! Once all of the Flexi Rods are out, I am running my fingers through my hair to separate the curls. No comb or brush is necessary. I'm actually going to slightly finger coil to add some volume and life to this hair. I'm ready to go out about my day. See y'all later on tonight. Y'all, my hair went through it today. It was so dang windy outside and it blew my curls out. I didn't even add hairspray, so maybe that's why they fell. There was even a little matting going on at the back of my neck. Since it's so tangled, the first thing I'm going to use is the Mason Pearson boar bristle brush since it's so gentle on the hair strands. Starting from the ends and working my way up to smooth the hair. I'm now going to use my fingers to separate any small knots and little tangles and gently pull them apart without breaking the hair and creating split ends. Once you've done as much detangling as you can, use a detangling brush to get any more fine knots and tangles. Once the hair is nice and smooth, it's time to flex up and protect the hair. I'm using the parting tool from the Osensia brush to part the hair into 2 horizontal halves. Wrap the top half away and then slightly detangle the bottom half. And then I'm going to take the Flexi Rod and I'm going to put it on top of my hair. I actually meant to put it on top and you saw I put it on the bottom. Just know that you will get a different curl type depending on if you put the Flexi Rod on top of your hair or underneath your hair. I always leave out a piece of hair just for good luck, I guess. Stay tuned for the next video. I will do the takedown of the Flexi Rod set and do a hot oil treatment because, girl, I am tired of this silk press. It is time to wash my dirty little scalp. See y'all next time. Bye for now.